Welcome to Activity 10, Applying Direct and Partial Variation. This is a part of Unit 3's Linear Relations. Solve and get involved. In the last activity, we looked at the costs of the fundraising dinner put on by the Social Justice Club. The relation was modeled using the equation C is equal to 18N plus $425, where C represents the cost and N represents the number of people coming to the dinner. Now, a parents' council needs to figure out what to charge for dinner tickets. A graph is used to see if charging $25 a person is sufficient. So, here we have a table of values, with the number of people in the independent column and the money raised in the dependent column. For 0 people, you'd have 25 times 0, or $0. For 25 people, you would have 25 times 25, or $625. For 50, you would have 25 times 50, or $1,250. For 75, you would have 75 times 25, or $1,875. For 100, you'd have raised $2,500. And for 125, you'd have raised $3,125. This can be represented by the equation T is equal to 25N, where T is the money raised and N is the number of people invited to the dinner. If we examine these two tables of values and the two graphs, we would see the red line representing the cost and the blue line representing the amount of money raised from tickets. Notice that the blue line goes through the origin, which makes it an example of direct variation. It goes through the origin because if you don't sell any tickets, you won't raise any money. However, the red line does not go through the origin. That's because even if nobody comes to the dinner, it still costs $425 to rent the hall. What is the minimum number of tickets that must be sold so that Parents' Council does not lose any money? Use the graph to help you estimate this point. When you're finished, come back and check and see if your solution is the same as ours.